let me give you very rapidly the kinetic energy definition. It's kinetic energy is given by the half of the product of the mass times the velocity to the square, and this will give you joule. So if you wanted, since we use the mechanical energy equation per unit mass, we need to divide by mass. That is, take away mass, and this will give us joules per kilogram. This is very important because we're going to show many times this concept right here, which is essentially kinetic energy. I'm not going to explain it that much, just energy due to the movement or velocity of the fluid. Since it is incompressible, density won't change and the volumetric flow will remain constant. And well, let me show you this in another. This was a free preview. If you want to get full access, go to my incompressible flow course. The link is in the description of the video. You will get all access. Not only that, you get a very straightforward, user-friendly interface. So for instance, if you were analyzing or studying pumps, you have it here, the pump block, and then you have the sections. If you were, for example, studying the types of pumps, you can go here, and you have all the classes right here. Not to mention that you also have introduction and conclusion of every one of these. So for instance, if you were studying positive displacement pumps, the video is right here. If you were studying positive displacement pumps in rotatory and reciprocal are also included here. Centrifugal pumps, which is a very important topic in this course, you have it right here.